Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI and I want to introduce you to my new favorite facial cleanser. So this is the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Facial Cleanser. What I really love about this is the creamy consistency just melts the makeup right off of my face, and this doesn't dry my skin out at all. I'm definitely more prone to having dry skin. I don't have oily skin, so having that extra hydration really helps. This has amino acids in it that helps to attract and hold water on your skin. There's no fragrances. All of CeraVe's products are formulated by dermatologists. So I've always been very confident in the brand. I have lots of different CeraVe products. I've always loved them. I think it's high quality skincare at a really competitive price point. And this cleanser is a 16-ounce container. So the last cleanser I had, this was the same size. This literally lasts me almost an entire year. So the value is incredible. I would highly recommend this facial cleanser to anybody. You will no doubt love it. And that's my point of view.